combination of inners and outers and left outers, and it can get kind of wacky. But using Venn diagrams can help kind of track down what's going on. So first we're saying, give me an inner join between table 1 and table 2, which is what's only going to show me this little piece in the middle here. And then a left outer join is going to say, match me up with table 3. But if table 3 doesn't have a match, just show nulls. So when we go and run that one, the inner join with the left outer join, first I'm just going to run the inner join. And you can see that's the list that we saw in the very beginning of the demo up top in this sample. And then when we do the left outer join, it's all of those same people from that original set that were inner joined. So the inner join got rid of Johnny and Karen, who didn't have a favorite color, but the left outer join brought in the pizza here for Beth, but left everyone else's favorite food as being null and didn't exclude them. Also, just a reminder, you can download the join types poster at stevestedman.com. And this is a poster I created a few years ago that just sort of shows how all the different joins that we're going to be covering through this presentation are done. It's handy to print out and keep on your cube wall or near your workspace.